Well, she was nice to drive, but I can start it. Although you guys don't know, I blew up the transmission in it. Still sounds good though. Morning startup. That sound you're hearing is the transmission. Literally will not go in any gear. It's been like this for a couple of weeks, but yeah, clutch is soft now, a little softer than it was, and yeah, look, pressed in all the way. Can't get it in any gear, just like the van. Oh, no, nope. Yeah, it's totally fucked. Oh look, my speedometer finally broke. But yeah, literally had this car got it back from my friends from Fresno, Mario, well, both Marios from Lungus shop in Fremont. Did a great job fixing this car, man. Really appreciate everything he did with it. He did, you could hear a little bit of noise in first, second, and third, and he did tell me, that transmission's probably not gonna last me. I was babying it for a while, and car's just too much fun to not, drive it hard. But I didn't drive it that hard, but it was just that one time, literally I launched it a little too hard, and just heard the transmission go kaboom. Still went into every gear. Obviously, I was able to get it home. I actually took it out the day after, drove it around town with that awful noise that you're hearing right now. Then after parking it back in here and turning it on today after 2.5 weeks, yeah, tranny doesn't even want to go in any gear. It did before though, but yeah, now I'm assuming there's probably like a freaking hole in the transmission, and there's no way for me to get it really up in the air because I have a jack, but yeah. So I'm thinking of taking the tranny out of that car. It's the same transmission out of an 83. I don't know what year this is. It's a 71B, so weak transmissions. Trying to find a Borg Warner T5. Sorry, I'm old, man. Beat down. Now I'm forced to drive this thing. At least it's a GT, but it's an automatic. No fun. It's completely stock. We've had it in the family since it was brand new. It's a 2000. Yeah. But yeah, this Maxima will blow it out of the water. Doesn't even have to try. Yeah, a little messy there. But this thing hasn't moved in 6 years. I feel really bad, man. The old owner from Southern California, Jorge, he's probably really disappointed in me right now. I'm sorry, man. But I'll get it back in glory one day. Plan on taking it down to my friend's down again to get all the fuel injection all fixed again. Fix the damage there. I got a fender for it from a coupe. The only problem is getting that hood fixed again. I'm pretty sure I can get that. My good friend Ollie, he's really good with louvering hoods, and he says he could probably fix that. I plan on louvering the hood on this thing anyway, so. But I don't know. I might sell it. I don't want to sell it though. But as you can see, I have the van, this, that. Then I have the 610 and the 521 in the garage. I can't really expand my budget that far. So But anyway, yeah. And I have to get new tags for this thing. But anyway, yeah. Sad. Didn't even really get to enjoy the damn car. But, hey. So if you guys know of any Borg Warner T5s in the Southern Oregon area, or you know, even in Northern Oregon, you know, Portland area, or Washington, even maybe Northern California, that's not an arm and leg, you know, let me know. I know there was a guy on Eugene that was wanting $1,500 for one. I don't understand that price, but yeah, I know they were only made for 2 years, but I could literally buy one for $1,000 from someone I know, and it's actually a Tremec, a really well-known guy. So if I can't find one, then I'm gonna have to, you know, save up for that one if he still has it. If not, God, I'm gonna have to go with an awful 71B. I don't really want to go 71C like the 240SX one. I don't know. Not really. That's just preference. I like the Borg Warner T5. So good experience from the old 280ZX Turbo I used to have. So yeah. So I know you guys want to recommend me a 240SX one, but whatever. Yep. Anyway, it's a freaking mess. I gotta clean up all my stuff, man. Oops. Yeah. So 521, 610. The electric fuel pump in this thing went out. Yeah, my ex had to help me get this car home. I had a tow strap while she was hauling ass down the road. Finally, she slowed down, but yeah, then got a problem with the leaking oil, and then on top of that, the radiator is getting oil in it, so there's probably a crack in the head, probably a really minor crack. But I mean, it's a really good running L16. I mean, this thing, it runs perfect, you know. It's 5-speed, so it's fun. Not a lot of power, but it can get out of its way, barely. And I wish I could do something with this, you know. God, I got stuff all over the place. You know, I got the extra 610 fender, and then the 810 wagon quarter panel that David from Portland gave to me, or actually he's now from Washington. He gave me that for free. I mean, you know, Datsun people can't get any better than that, man. I mean, when they start giving you stuff for free. But yeah, and then I got Mark Hubble, who sold me this LZ23 that he built. It's pretty stout. You know, I don't want to do it, but I get to a point where I might have to sell it. You know, I don't want to sell it. It's a good little engine. I was going to put it in the 610, but I still need carbs. Not just any carbs, probably some 45s or some 50s, or I can go fuel injection. But god dang it, I hate spiders. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of money I had to spend, just even, and then I got to change oil pans too and all that stuff. So, and hope that, you know, the 5-speed can handle it. Probably won't. So I'll probably have to get like a 71C. That I will get a 240SX transmission if it's in a Datsun, you know, 4-cylinder, not a 6. But my other option is I could sell that, sadly, and get me a KA. Yeah, boring old KA. You know, as long as I don't get screwed and it's a crappy one, or I can go SR. I don't know. My third option, or fourth option would be a CA18 Turbo. Yeah, the twin cam, not the shitty single cam, you know. Yeah. A few options, but don't really want to do that anyway. Well, I'm gonna end this video. Heading to the gym, so gotta work some fat out. Can't be lazy. Been lazy for many years, so that's why this 521 doesn't run. It just needs a rear end, and I have the rear end, or third member, I should say. So all I have to do is just pull it. I need more room, obviously, because I gotta pull the whole rear end, and gotta pull it all apart, and you know, then I can have a running driving truck, which I hope I can get done maybe by next month. I really just gotta get it done. I miss driving this truck, and then yeah, I gotta take out all this stuff, put it on that little house over there, so I can make more room for my stuff, you know. God, yeah, and finish putting these wheels on the back of the van. Even though it doesn't run and drive, but God, I really want to just engine swap that thing to a KA. Awful LZ20 or Z24. Gosh, I hate those things, man. It runs like crap. At least it got me here, but that was like literally its one and only trip. So until I can figure out how to get another transmission for the van, and or God, I don't want to rebuild that one. I was told it was rebuilt, which I'm betting it was all bullshit just to sell the van to me, but whatever. Yeah. Anyway, I'm heading out, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.